and welcome to the course. In today's lecture, we will learn about calculated columns in SQL and in DAX. So let's write one query. Select static from sales. Control F5, and here we can see we have different columns, and we need few columns here. The first one is the product key, and then we need order date, then we need a sales amount, tax amount, and now we need to write one calculated column like actual amount, actual underscore amount, and it will be sales amount minus tax amount. This is our formula, and click execute, and here you can see we're getting order date, product key, order date, sales amount, tax amount, and the actual amount, the new column. So we need to get the same result in DAX Studio. So open the DAX Studio, and here we can write a table sales, so that, and click run, so that we should get all the data, underlying data. So this is all the stuff, and then we need to write again. We need few columns here. For this we need to select column, and the table name will be sales. The first column will be product key. Then we need to write here the actual column, sales, product key. Then the second is order date, sales, order date. Then we need to write sales amount, and the final is tax amount. And now we need to write here one calculated column. The name is actual amount, and here we need to write sales, sales amount minus sales tax amount. That's it, and then we need to close it. So this is the complete expression, DAX expression. Click run, and here you can see we are getting all the underlying data. So if we write one order by, order date, order date ascending, and here you can see we are getting all the data in ascending order. And so what was the first amount is 3127, and the same is here, order by, order date ascending. 3127, and the same is here 3127. So that's all about how to create calculated column in DAX and in SQL.